In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by new listings on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're hunting for a unique vintage find or trying to nab the latest tech deal, knowing how to quickly locate the newest listings can save you time and ensure that you never miss out on great opportunities. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Facebook. You can do this either on your mobile device or on a desktop, whichever you prefer. Simply open your web browser or Facebook app and log in with your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look towards the upper area of your screen and find the icon that represents the marketplace. It typically looks like a little storefront and is often found in the main menu. Next, click on this marketplace icon. This will take you to Facebook Marketplace, where you'll see a variety of items listed for sale from people in your local area or even nationwide, depending on your viewing preferences. Now, you're in a great position to start exploring the listings available. Once you're in the marketplace, the next step is to focus on what you're interested in by typing into the search bar. This is usually found at the top center of the marketplace page. Click on the search bar and enter the item you are interested in purchasing. For instance, if you're looking for a used bicycle, type bicycle into the search bar. The marketplace will update and present you with all the available listings that match your search term. Now that you have your search results up, it's time to sort them by the newest listings. To do this, look directly above the listings for a button or link labeled Sort By. Click on this option. A drop-down or list of sorting options will appear. This is where you get to choose how you would like the results to be organized. Locate and select Date Listed, Newest First, or a similarly worded option. By selecting this, you ensure that the most recent listings appear first in your search results. This is a great time saver, especially if you're on the lookout for fresh deals or items that haven't been available for long. And that's it. You're now all set to browse through the latest listings on Facebook Marketplace with ease. Remember, staying on top of new postings can give you the edge when it comes to finding exactly what you want at the right price. Now go ahead and give it a try, and happy shopping!